Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. And I'm so very glad to be here to accompany you to talk about English. But actually, I wanna talk about fasting. Okay, right. But actually, on previous day, I had discussed about fasting. Yeah, I saw my friend had a fasting. Uh, I was really impressed with him because he can hold his starving, his thirsty. So I was really impressed with him. And today we are gonna talk about another things about food. But first of all, I wanna share my experience to all of you guys. Yeah. But okay, so yesterday I considered to went out of my room. I considered to went out of my room, walk walk 50 meters to the masjid. Yeah, masjid is quite close from my place. I only threw 50 meters and I arrived so very close. And because around the masjid, next to the masjid, there were a lot of snack seller, street food seller that they were selling their stuff to the people. And I also saw a lot of people were buying, were asking price to the snack seller. And wow, that was really interesting. I was really interested about that, and I consider to join with the old people who want to buy food. Okay, and I asking the snack sellers, okay, madam, um, how what's the price of this food? Only 5,000. And she said like that 5,000 is very cheap, bro. It's a very cheap. And then I tried um to uh to 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 hold my pocket and try to put out my money, and I don't know, but my money is out of my pocket. And also I try to hands try to put out all my pocket, but I didn't find anything. So I I was a bit um, shame to the sex seller because I had been asking for the cost, and I and then I was postponed that. And after that I just tried to join with a lot of people and only took the glance to the people who buy something instead of me only. You can imagine that. And after that I come back to my place because that was close to my place. And I I considers to um put and I considers to put to take my money from my wallet. And after that I come back again to buy the food. So that's a bit my experience while I go outside for buy something, guys. And I hope you have a really a nice story to share, guys. And I also impressed to hear the I all ears to anything story from all of you guys. So if you have a story with your experience, that's gonna be fun, that's gonna be a little bit sad, but let's share to each others. Let's make it fun. Okay, guys, so that's my story for today. Thank you for watching.